So this is the question. And with this, we said the first thing to do is to what? Calculate for the determinant of this, because B inverse is equal to 1 over the determinant of B, that's B, multiplied by the adjoint of what? B. 1 divided by the determinant of B multiplied by the adjoint of B. So we are going to calculate for the determinant of B and calculate for the adjoint of what? B. Now, let's start work. So the determinant of B, that B is equal to, when we cross our first row, our first column, we are going to have 3 by -1 times 2 is -2, minus 1 times 2, which is 2. So we are going to have -2 minus 2. That will give us what? -4. -3. So -3, we are going to have 1 times 2 is 2, minus 2 times 2. That will give us 4. So 2 minus 4 is -2. -1. 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 2 times -1. So we have 1 minus -2. That will give us what? 3. So at the end, our determinant is going to be -12 plus 6 minus 3. -12 plus 6 minus 3. Now let's simplify this. We are going to get, what do we get from here? -12.
9.
-12 plus -3 is -15, plus 6 will be -9. So the determinant of question 2 is -9. That's B, is -9. All right. Now let's move on. How do we solve for the adjoint? The first format to solve for the adjoint of matrix B is first transpose the matrix. So the transpose of the matrix is B transpose should be equal to 3, 3, minus 1. The first row to be written as what? The first column. And the next one is 1 minus 1 and then 1. And then, no, 1 minus 1 and then 2. And the last row to be written as the last column. 2, 1, 2. All right. So this is what we have. And after that, we calculate for the determinant of each and every element. And then we multiply it by the sign chart. So the determinant of all of these, the determinant of this, the adjoint of B, is equal to the determinant of the first one. What will be the determinant of the first one? The first element, you are going to get -1 times 2, -2, -2, -2 is what? -4. -4. Next one is 2 times 3 will give us 6 minus -1. 6 minus -1, so 6 plus 1, that will be 7. And then the next one is 6 minus 1, that will be 5. Okay, the next one, this element, which is 3, the fourth element. So we are going to have 1 times 2, which is 2, minus 4. 2 minus 4 is -2. 3 times 2, 6. 6 minus -2, 6 plus 2, that will be 8. And the last one is going to be this. So 3 times 2 is 6, minus -1, 6 plus 1, 7. Is that okay? Please, if you get different answer or different element, you let us know so that we compare. and know which one is correct and which one is wrong. Now the last row, -1. So we are going to have this 1 times 1 is 1, and -1 times 2 is -2. So we have 1 minus -2. 1 plus 2 is 3. And this one will give us 3 times 1, which is 3, minus 3 times 2, 6. 3 minus 6 is -3. And the last one is 3 times -1 is -3, minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 is -6. All right. So we multiply this one by our sign chart, which starts with positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. And our final, the adjoint of B becomes -4, -7, 5, -2, sorry, it's +2, +2, 8, and -7. And the last one is 3, 3, -6. So this is the adjoint. Now, the inverse of B inverse is equal to 1 divided by -9 multiplied by -4, -7, 5, 2, 8, -7, 3, 3, -6. And our inverse will be equal to what? -4/9. So it will be plus 4/9 -2/9. And the last one is what? -1/3. And this side will be 7/9 -8/9 -1/3. The next one, -5/9 7/9. The last one will be what? -2/3. No, 2/3, not minus. Okay. 2/3, not minus. All right. So that will be the inverse. Yes, how many of you got it correct? Yes. How many of you got it correct? Now, if I check why those who signed the work, many of you don't have your picture and don't have your name. So I don't know who are you. I don't have your picture, I don't have your name. Who got this correct? I can see few of you. Oh, okay, not few. This one is correct. Kim Girl. Kim Girl, you didn't finish. You didn't finish. Who is P? P, you didn't finish. Kitia. And Yawapa. Yawapa, you didn't finish. Your determinant was wrong, but I think the rest could have been correct, but the determinant was wrong. All right. Now, please, if there is no question, if you have any question you have to ask about the inverse right now before we move on to the next subtopic. So this is how you have to solve an inverse of a question. Okay, when the determinant is given to you, especially 3 by 3, the first thing you need to do is write down the formula. And the formula says 1 divided by the determinant of the matrix multiplied by the adjoint of the matrix. And we are saying that we can then find or calculate our determinant first, then we calculate the adjoint, then we multiply it together. How do we solve for the adjoint? The adjoint is transpose the original matrix. After that, you find the determinant of each and every element in the transposed matrix. Then you multiply it by the sign chart, and then you get your adjoint of B. Then multiply it by the determinant, 1 over the determinant, and you get what we call the inverse of the matrix. Please, is that okay? All right. Now let's move on to the next item.